Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. We are in the best part of YouTube learning channel, and in today's video we are learning about NCERT 6th class, and the subject is mathematics. So we are going to start our mathematics class, and we are solving 3.7 exercise. Of course we are solving word problems now, and now we are going to check what is the word problem we got and what are the things we have to solve. Okay, now without getting late, let's start our video. And students, before going to the video, please just share, like, subscribe my channel. And you are watching my channel for the first time, just please hit the notification bell icon. What will happen if you hit the bell icon? Just you never miss my updates. Okay students, now we are going to start our class. Without getting late, we'll start our class. Okay, I already said that we are going to solve word problems now. So the first word problem here we have in 3.7 exercise is: Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizers of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of the weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizers exact number of times. So what they are asking is, one lady purchased 2 bags. One weight is 75 kg and the other weight is 69 kg, and they want to know that which bag is going to measure exact number of times. If for example, if I take 5 kg bag, it has to measure 75 kg as well as 69 kg. So like that I should select and I should say the number. So that is the reason I'm just going to find out HCF for this. Okay students, why I'm finding HCF? Because they are asking the maximum value of the weight. Okay, so I'm writing here, weight of one bag is equal to 75 kgs. Weight of second bag, okay, this is not one bag, first bag, and weight of second bag is equal to 69 kgs. HCF of 75, 69. So we already know the procedure, right? So we'll just go for it. We'll just find the factors of 75. Phi table will come. Five 15s are 75. Again 5 table, 5 3s are 715, and now first 69, 3 table, 323s are 69. Now we'll move on to the factors. 75 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3, and 69 is equal to 3 into 23. So we all know that the common number is 3 here. So HCF is also 3. Now what is the question they asked? What is the maximum value of the weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizers exact number of times? Is 3 kgs. If I will take 3 kgs bag, what will happen? In 3 table 25 times you'll get, whereas in 3 table 23 times you'll get. So that is the reason we are going to select 3 kgs bag. Okay, now we'll move on to the second question students. Okay, the second question is: 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 centimeters, 70 centimeters, 77 centimeters respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? So here they measure the steps and they are asking here what is the minimum distance you are going to do. So nothing but what we can do here, just we will go and find out here LCM, right? LCM of 63, 70, 77. Okay, so the common table which will go is 7 table. 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70, 7 11s are 77. And 9 will come in 3 table. 3 3s are 9, and 3 table 10 will not come, so that is the reason we'll write the number as it is. And 11 is a prime number, so it will not come in any other table. Now 2 table. 2 5s are 10, and now we got all the prime numbers. Now multiply all the numbers. 7 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 11. 7 3s are 21. 21 into 2, how much we will see? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 21 2s are 42. And now 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. And now into 5. 5 6 are 13. 5 2s are 10 plus carry 3 13. 5 1s are 5 plus carry 1 6. This multiply with 11. You can just multiply 1 and 1 2-digit multiplication, or you can directly go with 11 table also. So here I am directly moving with 11 table. 11 zeros are 0. 11 3s are 33. 11 6s are 66 plus 3 69. So the answer is 6930 steps. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? Means one person has to move on by 63 centimeters, and second person 70 centimeters, and third person 77 centimeters. Now when they come back again, at what place they'll reach here is 6930 centimeters. They will reach all. At this point, all those three members will reach. Okay, students. So now we'll move on to the next question now. So students, here the question is, the length, breadth and height of a room are, the length, breadth and height of a room are 825 centimeters, 675 centimeters and 450 centimeters respectively. Find the longest step which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. Okay students, so here maximum is nothing, the longest step is nothing but what you can go for? Yes, of course, we are going to find out the HCF of this. So the steps will be, length of a room is equal to 825 centimeters. Breadth of a room is equal to 675 centimeters. Height of a room is equal to 450 centimeters. And now longest step is equal to 825, 675 and 450. So one thing we know is this one, to find out the HCF. So 5 table we can, 5 1s are 5, 8 minus 5 is 3, 32, 5 6 are 30, 25, 5 5s are. Again 5 table, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15. Now 3 table, 3 11s are. As 11 is a prime number, we can start finding factors. 5 table, 5 1s are 5, 6 minus 5 is 1, 17, 5 3s are 15, remainder 2, 25, 25, 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 35, 5 7s are 35. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. As 3 is a prime number, we can stop finding factors here. Now we'll find out for 450. 5 9s are 45, 5 zeros are 0. 5 1s are 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, 40 and 5 8s are 40. 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6. As 2 is a prime number, we can start finding the factors. 825 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 11. 675 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. 450 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 2. So which is common? 5, 5 and 3. HCF is equal to 5 into 5 into 3. 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75. So the longest step which is used to measure these is 75 centimeters. Okay students, I hope you all understand today's class. If you find this class is interesting to you or useful to you, just please share it with your friends. Thank you for listening.